Okay, proper way to clean your French press. So you need to unscrew this. Also try to get a stainless steel French press because, so look, see, it just comes undone. Set that to the side. Then you need to pull these apart. And there's 2 filters in this one because this is a Mueller. It's one of the better ones that you can buy. And so you want to do that. You're going to pull it apart. Then you're just going to take your water and you're just going to squirt it. Get it clean. So I'm going to do this part first. This one first. Nice and clean. Turn this a little bit so you get a better view. Then I'm going to do these. I'm going to separate this all up. Put that there. And then I'm going to do both of these. That's it. Now to put it back together, you slide those together like that. So this is how it goes together. You put your 2 filters together like that. You take your plunger thing, you put it in there that way, and you got to slide this one through it. So this is how it looks. Again, just to show you, here's this piece. These 2 pieces go here, and this piece goes on the inside. So that's it like that. Then you're going to take this, and you're going to put it right on there, and you got to twist it here. You can twist it here too. It basically just screws on. Just screws on until it's tight. There you go. And you can rinse it one more time. Get all the stuff off of it. There we go. And on this one here, I pour the grounds outside on a plants that like it, like peace lilies or something of that nature. And that's it. That's how you clean your French press. I recommend getting the Mueller French press. It's all stainless steel. There's no plastic, and that means that you're not going to get all of those estrogen mimicking chemicals leaching into the hot water, which that's what I think is the best way to go.